So let's start. Unfortunately, Molde FK did not qualify for the group stage of the Europa League. Nevertheless, we still talk about this tournament. As you may know, games in the group stage of the Europa League start in two different times. The early games kick off close to 7 p.m. Central European Time. The later games start at 9 p.m. And the question is, does the kickoff time matter? My recent study showed that there is a significantly lower attendance at the latest games. So a game that starts at 9 p.m. attracts on average close to 7 percentage points lower attendance as the share of the stadium capacity. In addition, underdog teams, who probably benefit more from the crowd support, obtain a significantly lower number of points at home in later games. This suggests that if an underdog team competes 3 times at home, at 9 o'clock, it loses on average close to 300,000 euros from lower revenue from tickets and UEFA prizes. Finally, lower home advantage obviously reduces the qualifying probability for the next round, which is a much larger loss of at least 800,000 euros, before other revenues from tickets and advertising. So the kickoff time matters big time.